Hello guys, Fabiano from Brazil again. Today I will show you how to do something like this. A transition using only solid colors and native effects on KDEnlive. Very fast. So let's go. These are the versions I use. So very easy. We first create some solid colors. Just to just to understand what's the idea behind, we just use a solid color and then we can use a transition, something like a slide to just move the color, and then the color hides a cut. You can use the advantage that is that very easy, very easy to do this. You just use a solid color, a composition layer to make the transition. You just have to click on the bottom part of the clip and then it inserts automatically, and then you can change. Usually the default it's for wipe. You can put slide or move, or you choosing the template that you want to wipe the image. Then you decide the sides. In this case it's coming from the left and going to the right, and it will be hiding just like this. You can also do instead of just a slide, you can use the wipe and choose a template just like this. The advantage is that you can soften this transition and create more unfocused like this. And then for entering you have to choose a template, and then you have to choose a template to exit the frame like this one. You can overlay colors and create many layers of colors running through your frame. Or like this. And then the color can change. You can wipe the colors multiple directions. Hope you find this useful, and please subscribe, and see you later. Goodbye.